Ever fired up a body trimmer, run it across your chest, and felt that horrible tugging sensation, like it's yanking each hair out individually? Or worse, nicked yourself somewhere you really didn't want to nick yourself? Same. In this video, I'm ranking body groomers from best to worst, based on actual performance testing and owner feedback, not influencer hype, so you can dodge the duds and find a trimmer that actually works without drama. I've been testing these things for months, comparing budget options to premium models, and talking to guys who've actually used them long-term. I'll separate the marketing fluff from real-world performance and reveal my top 4 stress-free picks at the end. Plus, a trimmer that left guys bleeding and frustrated, and you'll see why. Stick around, hit like and subscribe to help more folks avoid grooming disasters, and check the description for all the links. The worst buy list, from meh to hard pass. Number 2. Remington PG6025. Marketed as gentle, performs like a weed whacker. Remington has been making grooming tools forever, which makes this one even more disappointing. The PG6025 all-in-one lithium-powered groomer runs about $25 to $30 and promises to handle everything from beard to body with its various attachments. On paper, it looks like a solid value. In practice, the body grooming attachment pulls hair more than it cuts it. The blade spacing isn't optimized for body hair texture, so instead of a clean pass, you get that stop and tug sensation that makes you wince. Multiple reviewers describe it as torture device territory when used below the belt. The motor also struggles with anything denser than arm hair, bogging down and requiring multiple passes that just irritate the skin further. The attachments feel flimsy and don't lock securely onto the body. Mid-trim pop-offs are a real thing with this unit. Battery life is fine at around 65 minutes, but that doesn't matter when every minute of use feels like punishment. If you want a budget multi-groomer for beard work only, maybe. But for actual body grooming, the complaints are too consistent to ignore. Great pick for someone who enjoys that fresh from the waxing salon pain? Probably not. Number 1. Generic Amazon 4-in-1 knockoffs. Suspiciously cheap for a reason. You've seen them. The $12 to $18 body groomers with stock photos, brand names you've never heard of, and reviews that read like they were written by the same person using a thesaurus. Vago, Seamless, Hattaker, dozens of these flood Amazon with nearly identical specs and suspiciously similar product shots. The failure pattern is remarkably consistent across these units. Motors die within weeks. Blades dull almost immediately and can't be replaced because the company either doesn't exist anymore or doesn't sell replacement parts. Charging ports fail. Waterproof ratings turn out to be optimistic at best. Guys report water getting inside and killing the unit after one shower use. But here's the real problem. The blade quality is genuinely dangerous for sensitive areas. Poor manufacturing tolerances mean uneven blade edges that nick and cut. Using one of these on your groin is playing Russian roulette with your anatomy. The $15 you saved isn't worth the emergency room visit. If a body groomer costs less than a decent lunch, ask yourself why. These companies aren't innovating on efficiency, they're cutting corners on the parts that matter the most. Stick with established brands that actually have quality control. Smart picks, the best to buy. Number 4. ManSpot Body Trimmer. Best value. For folks seeking that one trimmer that you can use for your entire body, including sensitive areas, without spending premium money, this absolutely belongs on your shortlist. It is budget-friendly, but doesn't feel cheap. The first thing I noticed is the wider blade head. Compared to brands like Manscaped or Meridian, the ManSpot covers more area per pass. That means fewer strokes required, which translates to faster trimming sessions. For quick head touch-ups and body maintenance, it performs smoother than I expected at this price point. The 45-degree angled head combined with the ergonomic grip makes a real difference in hard-to-reach spots. Underarms, chest, groin, the positioning feels natural rather than awkward. You get more precise control without contorting yourself into weird angles. For sensitive areas specifically, comfort and safety matter most. This trimmer stays flush against skin without that harsh, tuggy feeling you get from cheaper options. The ceramic blade means less direct metal contact with skin, which can help reduce irritation, redness, and nicks. NCHS data shows about 18% of people deal with eczema or atopic dermatitis. And the journal JAAD notes that nickel triggers contact dermatitis for many. Ceramic blades help avoid that. Battery life hits 90 minutes per charge. For a typical guy using it a few times weekly, that translates to roughly 2 weeks between charges. The package includes 4 length combs for different body areas. In my experience, everything works well except underarms. Those do not get quite as close as other areas. IPX7 waterproof rating means you can use it in the shower. I tested it wet on chest hair and it ran fine, though it performs slightly better dry. Number 3. Philips Norelco One Blade 360 Face Plus Body, best for beginners. If you're new to body grooming or just want something that works without requiring technique or practice, the One Blade 360 is genuinely foolproof. Philips designed this thing to be forgiving, and it shows in every aspect of the experience. The 360-degree flexible blade maintains skin contact as you move across curves and contours. That flexibility is the key feature. It makes nicking yourself surprisingly difficult even in awkward areas. The blade moves with your body instead of fighting it. For balls and sensitive zones specifically, this is one of the safest options I've tested. It glides smoothly and delivers clean results with minimal drama. The Face Plus Body Kit includes 2 dedicated blades, one optimized for facial hair, one for body use. You also get 3 click-on body combs for different lengths and a skin guard for extra protection on the closest settings. The system makes sense immediately. There's no manual to study. Battery life provides 60 minutes per charge, which handles several full-body sessions. Wet or dry operation gives you flexibility for shower use or quick dry touch-ups. Replacement blades run about $15 to $20 and last roughly 4 months with typical use. Number 2. Manscaped Lawnmower 5.0 Ultra, best below the belt. Look, Manscaped's marketing is a lot. The jokes, the euphemisms, the whole vibe. But here's the thing. Underneath all that, they've actually engineered a trimmer that does exactly what it promises for below-the-belt grooming. The dual-head system is the headline feature. You get an interchangeable skin-safe trimmer blade for general hair reduction and a skin-safe foil blade for a close, smooth finish. The workflow is simple. Trim first to reduce length safely, then switch to the foil if you want that extra close result. That 2-step approach produces excellent outcomes while keeping the experience stress-free. The shape and size work perfectly for intimate areas. The head is compact enough to follow awkward contours, and the trimmer feels well balanced in hand. The tapered body reaches into creases better than blocky competitors. Dual-temp LED lights illuminate what you're doing across different skin tones. Sounds gimmicky until you realize how much confidence it adds during detailed work. Battery provides 60 minutes of runtime with IPX7 waterproof rating for wet or dry use. 3 comb attachments cover different lengths. Travel lock prevents accidental activation in your bag, which matters more than you'd think. Number 1. Philips Norelco Body Groom 7000, best overall. And now, the winner for today is the mighty Body Groom 7000. This dual-headed groomer sets the standard that other body trimmers chase. It shaves and trims with the same device, covering everything from shoulders to groin without requiring multiple tools. The unique double-ended design puts a 4-directional pivoting shaver on one end and an adjustable length trimmer on the other. The shaver head features a skin-friendly hypoallergenic foil flanked by trimmer blades that catch longer hairs first. The dual-step system trims longer growth before the foil shaves remaining stubble. Close results while protecting skin from nicks and cuts. The 4D pivoting head adapts to body contours naturally. Press lightly and let it follow curves. This matters enormously on uneven terrain like chest, abs, and especially intimate areas. The trimmer end offers 5 length settings from 3mm to 11mm without changing attachments. Steel blades self-sharpen as they cut, maintaining edge performance over time. Replace the foil approximately once per year for optimal results, around $15 per replacement. Fully waterproof design works in or out of the shower, though Philips recommends dry use for best results. Rubber ergonomic grip provides confident handling even when wet. The 80-minute cordless runtime handles full body sessions comfortably. The lithium-ion battery charges in about an hour. Final thoughts. Here is the quick breakdown. If budget matters most, the ManSpot at $28 delivers shocking value with ceramic blades and 90-minute battery life. If you want a complete grooming kit that handles everything from beard to body, the Braun All-in-One Series 7 covers all bases. If you're new to body grooming and want zero intimidation, the Philips One Blade 360 makes the process foolproof. If your priority is below-the-belt comfort and precision, the Manscaped 5.0 Ultra with its dual-head system is purpose-built for exactly that. And if you want the best all-around body groomer that trims and shaves with professional results, the Philips Body Groom 7000 remains the gold standard. All 5 of these are available on Amazon right now. Links are in the description. If this helped, leave a like and subscribe for more reviews. Drop any questions in the comments. Secure links are in the description. See you in the next one.